Do you know how many people have died from the coronavirus? Based on my research, I have learned that having the COVID vaccine, you'll be less likely to get the coronavirus. Today, I will discuss the problems related to the coronavirus, how to protect yourself, and persuade you to get the COVID vaccine. There are many problems which result from the coronavirus. According to the EBSCO COVID-19 Vaccine Options article, some of the symptoms include feeling tired, fever or chills, body aches, shortness of breath, and cough, and problems with taste or smell. COVID-19 can also lead to serious illness. This can include a hospital stay, needing a machine to breathe, and even death. According to the article, Coronavirus, the disease COVID-19 explained, the total cases of the coronavirus in the world is 226,435,761. The total deaths from the coronavirus in the world is 4,940,036. This virus has taken so many lives. What should we do to protect ourselves from the coronavirus? According to the CDC, there are several ways to protect yourself from the coronavirus. You can wear a mask to protect yourself and others, stay at least 6 feet from others, avoid large crowds, clean your hands often, wash your hands for 20 seconds, or use hand sanitizer if soap is not available to you. Don't go near someone who is sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue. Disinfect objects and surfaces often. Avoid going places if unnecessary. Get the COVID vaccine when it's available to you. Following these guidelines that I have mentioned before, the risk of contracting the coronavirus is lowered. According to the article, Coronavirus COVID-19, evidence show that vaccine recipients are less likely than unvaccinated people to transmit to others, primarily by preventing infection in the first place. Getting the COVID vaccine will benefit you. You will recover faster if you are vaccinated. You'll be less likely to get the coronavirus. If enough people get the COVID vaccine, there's a better chance of ending the pandemic. As you can see by this chart, according to the Mississippi State Department of Health, vaccination status of COVID-19 cases, hospitalization, and deaths in Mississippi during September 29th and through October 26, 2021, 7% of cases were fully vaccinated and 93% of cases were not vaccinated or partially vaccinated. 14% of hospitalization were fully vaccinated and 86% were not vaccinated or partially vaccinated. And 13% of deaths were fully vaccinated and 87% were not vaccinated or partially vaccinated. As you can see here as well, according to the CDC, 191 million people were fully vaccinated. Today, I have discussed the problems related to the coronavirus, offered solution, helped you see how much better your life would be, and persuaded you to get the COVID vaccine. Don't you want the world to go back to normal before the mask? Let's take the step now to protect ourselves from the coronavirus by getting the COVID vaccine. Thank you for listening to my speech.